Cake board set. Includes 12 pieces of cake or pizza base in a metallic silver finish to give your homemade baking projects a touch of elegance. High quality. Cake base boards are made of premium cardboard paper. No need to worry about extra cleanup, easily dispose after use. Provides sturdy support. Silver laminated cake circle with a sturdy platform for your cakes to sit on. Pastry presentation. Cake circles are designed with beautiful scalloped edges so you can display your cake, cupcakes, muffins, specialty gourmet pizzas and homemade desserts with style. Whether at parties or business trade fairs, show off your amazing work with confidence. Dimensions. Measures 10 inches in diameter and 0.08 inches thick. Juval silver cardboard cake board is the ideal baking accessory to give your baking projects a professional look. This set of round cake boards features stylish scalloped edges and a silver laminated, providing an exquisite, shimmering platform for your cakes to sit on while adding a touch of regal elegance. Essential to a flawless presentation, display your cakes, gingerbread houses, and even craft projects with these cake boards confidently. Top reviews from the United States. Superb quality. Very sturdy. Unlike some cake boards that are pretty much like a disc cut from a piece of cardboard, these are more like pressed from a lot of cardboard to create the rigidity similar to wood and still have the thickness of cardboard. Very reliable, especially if you have a heavier cake. The scalloped edges and silver lining give it a nice fancy flair. Definitely recommend.